the winner of the banner drives. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching HKBMW and my name is Jeff. So I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to each and every one of you guys. Never ever would have imagined I would have got above 100, but you guys did it. You got me to 1,000, and for that I'm so thankful. And as I promised, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, one lucky subscriber is gonna win a free banner of their choice. So keep watching and we're gonna pick the winner very shortly. But first, there's something I want to talk about that you guys may have seen on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you follow me. If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, you probably know that I put my silver E92 up for sale. It's more of a family reason. It's a two-door. It's really hard getting my two girls in and out of the car when all four of us want to go somewhere. I'm just typically a sedan fan. I love my sedans. Obviously you guys can tell by my F30. So it's not going right away. I'm not gonna super push it or anything, but I have listed it and we'll see if it goes or not. We'll see what happens. I just listed it for sale and I'm not in a rush to sell it or anything. If I can get into a four-door sedan or something that's just as cheap to operate as the BMW, that's what I'll get. Will I get another BMW? Possibly. Will I get a 330 or a 328? I don't know. But we'll see. Like I said, personally for me, that car obviously has brought lots of content to this channel and it's helped me grow to where it is. So maybe we'll get a different project car or who knows, but I know that I need to start focusing on the F30 and get that one done because it's 3 months away till Driven Calgary and the car needs to be ready for that. So I'd like to get focused on the F30, get it ready and put all my time into that rather than my winter beater. So now for the 1K subscriber giveaway. I put all of your guys' names in the list. Everybody who also followed the instructions in the video of putting subscribed in the comments on my YouTube video. I've made sure that you guys had your entries put extra there as well. But I can tell you the winner of the banner drives a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Let's go to the screen. There's the winner, Yolanda Sampson. She is an avid car enthusiast in the Calgary community. You can catch her at just about every car show that happens. She goes to all of them. She's extremely active in the community, and I'm pretty sure if any of you have gone to a car show in and around the Calgary area, you have seen her white Focus ST. She got new wheels last year that are super dope, and she just got approved for Driven Calgary, so we're gonna see her there as well. I will link Yolanda's Instagram right here. Do me a favor, go give her a follow, like her photos, and show her some love. But congratulations to Yolanda. I will reach out to you on Instagram, and thanks to everybody that's entering. Don't forget, we're also going to be doing a giveaway at 2,500 subscribers of a full XKGLOW under car LED kit for your car. So one lucky subscriber is going to win that kit. You just got to go to the video where I'm giving away the XKGLOW and follow the instructions that I've listed in the video. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.